welcome back to Vlad. I keep making all these fancy cocktails and I just realized that there are like 1 billion people who want to see the old classic Cosmo. Okay, let's get into some facts, a little bit of history, and make 3 variations of this delicious cocktail. Right now, just get comfortable and let's go. One more time and let's go! The first mention of Cosmopolitan was in 1930s cocktail books, but modern Cosmopolitan recipe was popularized by iconic bartender Dale de Groff. He served Madonna at his bar and many magazines credited him as the inventor of this drink. Let's start with our simple home version. To make a classic Cosmo, you need citrus vodka and orange liqueur, triple sec or Cointreau. Let's say you don't have either one right now in your home bar, so for this version I will use regular vodka and infuse it with oranges and lemons. Cut 1 orange and 1 lemon in small slices and put them into a bottle or jar. Add vodka to the top and leave it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Strain out fruits and now we will use it instead of citrus vodka and triple sec. Okay, in the shaker or glass jar, squeeze 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Next, instead of cranberry juice, we will use a cranberry sauce. I found 2 different whole berries and jelly. Tried both and jelly sauce tasted like cranberry juice and has more flavor, so I will use this one. Add 2 spoons into the shaker. Next is 2 ounces of orange lemon vodka. Fill up shaker with ice and shake it really well. It's usually served without ice in a martini glass, but use any chilled glass that you have in your home bar and strain everything from the shaker. For garnish, I will use the same orange that I used to infuse vodka. Yeah, why not? Home version Cosmo is here. Well, now let's make a proper Cosmopolitan, same like Madonna has been drinking at the Rainbow Room Bar. In your shaker, add 1.5 ounces of CITRON vodka. At the 1988 Grammy Awards party, it was made with Absolute. It's essential to use a high-quality orange liqueur for this drink. It will be different Cosmopolitan if you use a low-quality triple sec. I will add ½ ounce of Cointreau liqueur, following 1 ounce of cranberry juice and squeeze 1/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Let's add some ice and shake it like you're about to serve Madonna. Okay, strain everything in the chilled martini glass. Dale de Groff was using flaming orange peel as a garnish for this Cosmopolitan. It became his signature serve at the Rainbow Room Bar where he was working, and people would come there just to see how Cosmo was served there. You can use long orange zest, but a small disc will work the same. As long as it's fresh, it will express into a flame and get some attention. At the Rainbow Room they used long matches, but I don't have any, so I will use a lighter. No need to burn it for a long time. Bring the fire close and squeeze the orange zest. Drop it inside a glass. This will add a smoky touch to the light orange flavor. And of course, this trick, which by the way was created originally not for a Cosmopolitan cocktail, will add an excellent little show to anyone who you serve cocktail for. This drink was also featured in the HBO series Sex and the City, which massively impacted the popularity of the Cosmopolitan cocktail. Next is our expert version, and this is going to be my favorite variation by far. So get ready for not your regular Cosmopolitan. Take a shaker and pour 1 ounce of CITRON vodka. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of good quality orange liqueur. I'm going to try to achieve a taste of a cranberry coffee cake, so add ½ ounce of white creme de cacao liqueur, squeeze ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, and this time we'll use white cranberry juice. It's made with white cranberries harvested a few weeks earlier than the red. This juice is less tart but has many of the health benefits like red cranberry juice. Well, probably not when it consumed this way. Let's pour 1.5 ounces, add plenty of ice in the shaker, and this drink I will serve in the frozen coupe glass. Using the fine strainer, strain the drink. My last step will be a smoke bubble filled with aromatic flavor. I will need to use a flavor blaster. Let's load it with citrus flavor. Dip it into an edible bubble mix and create a bubble on top of the glass. Well, let me know which presentation you like more, Dale de Groff's Flaming Zest or the smoky citrus bubble one.